In this video, we'll show you how to use Samsung Smart Switch for Mac to easily transfer data and manage backups. Plus, we'll introduce a great alternative for your specific needs. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is Samsung Smart Switch for Mac? Samsung Smart Switch for Mac transfers, backs up, and syncs data between Galaxy devices and MacOS. It supports contacts, media, messages, and restores iTunes or third-party backups while enabling software updates. Part 2. How to use Samsung Smart Switch on a Mac. Can you use Samsung Smart Switch on Mac? Absolutely. Just launch Smart Switch on your Mac, connect your Galaxy via USB, and the interface will appear once your device is recognized. Q1. How to back up Samsung to Mac. Select Backup, choose Data, and wait. Q2. How to restore from Smart Switch. Click Restore and select a backup. Q3. How to restore from third-party backups. Click Restore, then choose iTunes or Files. Q4. How to sync Outlook, iCal, Address Book. Ensure access in System Preferences, select Items, and click Transfer. Q5. How to update Samsung firmware. Click Update when notified. Part 3. What if Samsung Smart Switch doesn't work? Why Smart Switch isn't working on Mac? Outdated software. Update Smart Switch and MacOS. Connection issues. Use a good USB cable. Unlock phone. Enable file transfer. Missing permissions. Allow access in System Preferences Privacy. Part 4. Best alternative to Smart Switch for Mac. Smart Switch for Mac is great for backing up Galaxy devices, but may have lag and connection issues. Mobican Backup Manager for Android Mac Windows is a reliable, efficient alternative. How to use this software for Samsung Data Backup and Restore. Download and install the Samsung Backup tool on your Mac computer. Run it and connect your Samsung phone to the Mac via USB cable. Once connected, you can see the main interface of the program below. Q1. How to back up your Samsung phone to your computer. To access the backup window, select the Backup option from the main interface. Then, check the data categories you wish to back up from the provided list. Once you have made your selections, click on Browser to designate an output location. Press the Backup button to initiate the process of saving the Android phone contacts to your Mac computer. Q2. How to restore files on Samsung from the backup. Once your phone is connected, click Restore to view all Android backup files on your computer. Select the desired backup, or click Add Backup Folder to include other files. If everything looks good, click Restore to start the process.